Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This one's again a requested video about project/notebook covers. I've tried to keep it as simple as possible, so without further more delay, let's get into the video. Now for the first DIY, you need is a black sheet, paints, an old brush, a marker and a tape. So now you just have to start by applying tape in any pattern you want. Make sure to leave spaces in order to fill them with paint. And now by using any old brush, try creating such kind of an effect. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, and once that's done, start removing the tape gently. And now you can write your name if that's a project cover. I just simply wrote positive vibes only. Now for the next DIY, you'll need is a white sheet, paints, a quilling strip, Fevicol, pens and brushes. Start by creating a margin using quilling strips just so that it looks more structured. I'm applying a masking tape on the middle of the page just to prevent mixing of different colors. You can use harmonious colors to create a similar effect. And once the paint dries, remove the tape and write your name or a quote or anything you want. To add extra detailings, I am drawing some floral designs. It looks pretty after that. Now coming on to the next notebook/project cover, you'll need some drawing sheets, some paints, brushes, Fevicol, pens and a pair of scissors. I'm applying tape at the edge of the sheet to make it look more structured. Now for this one, you'll need to get your hands dirty. Make your hands as colorful as possible like I am doing. just simply stamp your hand on the paper. You can also splatter some white paint by tapping the wet paint brush over the other one, like I did. And you're good to go. Moving on to the last one, which is again a fun DIY, for which you'll need some sheets, paints, Fevicol, a pair of scissors, a card, double-sided tape, pens and a brush. Start by squeezing out small amount of acrylic paints on the sheet like this. This is the most fun part because now you just have to simply drag down all the colors using a card. It's okay if your paint gets mixed with other colors, it would still turn out great. I have drawn some elements so that can be put together at the end using double-sided tape to create embossed effect. You can obviously customize it depending on the subject of the project you're doing. Voila, it's done. And yeah, by this we come to end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you on Wednesday. Till then, goodbye.